Good morning, this is Fred from Technical Support System at Digiray. Today I'm going to explain to you how to disassemble about the top cover and the inner chassis cover. So first, prepare the 2.5x key. Lift it up. And you can see there's 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 screws in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I'm going to disassemble that one. Okay, so I disassemble all the screws, 4, 3, and then just push it back again. And you can just push it a little bit backside of this top cover. You can hold about a little like tick sound. And then just lift it up quickly. You can see there's a lot of cables connected here. So let's try to remove it. And this is how we disassemble the top cover. After that, just prepare the normal driver. There's 6 screws in here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. So I'm gonna also disassemble through these areas. After that, you can see there's cables through here from this cable, and there's like for the cassette lock motor, the left and right. So also disassemble the cables here. Then I'm gonna open this inner chassis. Okay, so I disassemble all the screws in here. After that, lift it up. Softly take off this cable, left and right. And then you can see the cassette lock motor cable. Push it inside and slowly, softly push it just one by one through this hole. Now this is done. How do we disassemble about the top cover and the inner chassis about the truck scanner. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope that everyone is safe from the COVID-19 virus.